Hi, my name is Ken Malott. I am the owner of Kensal Rental Service. I am a second generation in this place of business. Kensal Rental has been in business since the 1950s. At this present location, we started in 1962 building it. At that time, Kensal Park was a very small village outside the city of London. We now encompass all of London, Strathroy, and as far as Exeter and St. Thomas to the south. Kensal Rental serves the homeowner, small contractor, and landscaping business. We are a full-line dealer for Toro products, Stihl chainsaws and weed eaters, and the Skag line of equipment. When you've got a project and you need tools, come on down and see us.